Okay, part 2 of the video. We are in the coagulase test. This coagulase bind to the CRF and it will activate fibrin to form the clot. And there are two types of coagulase test, that is tube coagulase and slide coagulase. So tube coagulase will detect the coagulase that is secreted from the staph aureus, and bone coagulase will detect the coagulase that is bound to the fibrinogen. So what happens is, in tube coagulase we take a test tube, and generally we collect the plasma and dilute it 6 times, and we take 1 ml of that diluted plasma and add 1 colony of staph aureus and mix it, so that after 4 hours, if at 37 degrees, if you see a clump or clot that don't fall even when the tube is inverted, it is called as positive. So you can see this is positive, like it forms a coagulum, and negative is still it is liquid, and it is called as negative. So this is about the tube coagulase. Okay, it is incubated for about 4 hours, and we should take care that the plasma should not be citrated. Means we know the anticoagulants, sometimes we use citrated anticoagulants, but in this case we should not use, because some of the bacteria will take citrate, and it will process the reactions and it will form the coagulum, so that is not used. So we use heparin as an anticoagulant. So in the slide coagulase we detect bound coagulase, that is 1 colony we take onto a slide and add 1 drop of saline, and we mix the colony with the saline, and then we add a drop of plasma. So what happens is we can see the small clumps formed, which means positive. So you can see this is the coagulase, slide coagulase positive, we see clumps, and here this is negative. So we have some of the staph which are not which does not give the coagulase test. They are called as coagulase negative staph, like Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. These are the two staph which does not give coagulase test. Next, DNase test. DNase is also an enzyme produced by staph. So this DNase enzyme will degrade the DNA. So on the DNA agar, there is a clear halo around the colonies, because around the colonies the DNA is digested. And phosphatase test. This staph aureus, whenever we grow in phenolphthalein diphosphate, so this staph aureus will split that and release the free phenolphthalein. This free phenolphthalein will react with the ammonium vapors. So this after reacting, the colonies will turn pink. Okay, so this is about an antimicrobial susceptibility testing is done on the Muller-Hinton agar. Okay, so next we have the streptococci pyogenes. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Okay, I hope you understand this coagulase test. Okay.